Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will begin by ensuring your Azure subscription and OpenAI resource are ready. This is the foundation. Next, prepare your data. Clean text, remove PII, normalize fields, and convert to JSON if needed so ingestion is smooth. Once done, create or reuse a service principal and grant it access to the resource and key vault to store secrets. Make sure to record the resource name, endpoint, and key. You will need them for CLI commands and the next steps. You will now ingest and index data. Decide whether to fine-tune a model or use retrieval-augmented generation. If using retrieval, compute embeddings for documents and push them into Azure Cognitive Search or your Vector DB. Once indexed, create training pairs or prompt templates and start the fine-tuning job via Azure CLI or SDK. While the job runs, validate using held-out examples and tune hyperparameters like learning rate or batch size. This saves time later. Finally, test end-to-end with sample. You will finish by deploying the trained or configured model to an endpoint and enabling logs and auto-scaling so production traffic is handled. Make sure to implement client-side caching and rate limiting, and sanitize inputs to prevent prompt injection. Once live, monitor latency, accuracy drift, and cost metrics. Set alerts for thresholds. If something goes wrong, roll back to the previous model version and inspect recent training changes. Often the issue is noisy data or a changed prompt. Rerun validation after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.